Friends, when we talk about the moon, the first thing that comes to mind is the image of our Earth's moon. But did you know that there are more than 200 moons in our solar system that we know about? These moons not only orbit their planets and dwarf planets, but like our moon, they also hold many unsolved questions and mysteries. In today's video, I'm going to share some interesting and strange facts and mysteries related to the moons in our solar system. So watch this video till the end. Friends, did you know there's a moon in our solar system that looks just like a walnut? Yes, I am talking about Saturn's third largest moon, Iapetus. When you look at this moon along the equator, you will see a large, ridge-like mountain range stretching across it. This range can reach heights of up to 20 kilometers, making it one of the longest mountain ranges in the solar system. Because of this unusual structure, Iapetus looks like a walnut. No other planet or moon in the solar system has a structure like this, making Iapetus quite unique. For a long time, scientists could not explain the shape of Iapetus. However, recent computer simulations suggest that Iapetus might have had rings like Saturn. In the past, an event caused these rings to collapse onto the moon's surface, but not all at once. The particles from the ring closest to the moon fell first, creating deep craters in the icy crust. Subsequent layers collapsed one by one, forming the mountain range over time. The second place goes to Pluto's largest moon, Charon. Charon is almost half the size of Pluto, which is why they are sometimes called the double dwarf planet system. The distance between the two is only 19,640 kilometers. Interestingly, Charon is gravitationally locked with Pluto. This means that if you were standing on Pluto, you would always see Charon above your head or not see it at all. You might be thinking that our Earth and Moon are also gravitationally locked, so why don't we see something similar here? The reason lies in the size difference. Compared to Earth, our Moon is very small. However, as I mentioned earlier, Charon is about half the size of Pluto. This causes both Pluto and Charon to be gravitationally locked to each other, appearing to dance together. Friends, what if I told you that we have observed signs of life on the surface of our moon? This might sound strange and confusing, but I am talking about biosignatures. Biosignatures are substances or signs that indicate the presence of life, either currently or in the past. When you look at the crescent moon, you can see two parts, one very bright and the other very dim. If you have ever seen the moon through a telescope, you will understand this better. Pay attention to the dim part. You will notice a strange, faint light. Scientists observed this for many years, but could not understand where this sign came from. Now they finally understand. This is called earthshine. When sunlight reflects off Earth's surface and hits the moon, it creates earthshine. When studying the visible spectrum of earthshine on the moon's surface, a unique pattern emerges. This pattern is from sunlight reflecting off trees, oceans, water clouds, and living organisms on Earth. This indicates that life is possible on a planet in the solar system, our Earth. If we can see evidence of life on Earth in the spectrum obtained from the moon, we can study the light spectra from other objects in the universe to search for biosignatures. Friends, do you think nature needs humans to make plastic? You might answer yes, but Saturn's moon Titan shows otherwise. On Titan, it rains methane and other hydrocarbons. When sunlight reaches Titan, these hydrocarbons break down and transform into other molecules, the first step in making raw material for plastics on Earth. This process is called chemical cracking. NASA's Cassini spacecraft detected propylene and ethane on Titan, the same products plastic manufacturers use to make polypropylene and polyethylene. Have you ever heard about Trojan moons? These are moons that share the same orbit, moving along the same path around their planet, but with a 60-degree difference between them. In our solar system, this Trojan moon system is only seen in Saturn's moons. Saturn has two sets of Trojan moons. The first is Tethys, which has two Trojan moons. Telesto, orbiting 60 degrees ahead, and Calypso, orbiting behind. The second is Dione, which also has two Trojan moons, Helene orbiting ahead and Polydeuces orbiting behind. These points in the orbit where the moons are present are called Lagrangian points. These points are so stable that the moons can never collide because they maintain a proper distance from each other at every point. Friends, when I was telling you about Saturn's moons, did you ever think it would be great if Earth had more than one moon? Well, you will be surprised to know that Earth actually has not one but three moons. Yes, we have the moon we see every night and two other dust clouds called Kordylewski clouds. In 1951, a Polish astronomer, Kazimierz Kordylewski, claimed that there are gravitational points in the moon's orbit where other objects can exist stably. In 1961, Kordylewski discovered these dust clouds, which he named Kordylewski clouds. They were officially confirmed in October 2018. These clouds are located at the Lagrangian points L4 and L5 of the Earth-Moon system. These clouds are faint, making them difficult to observe from Earth. However, you can see them in dark, clear night skies. Most sightings are reported by people in deserts and mountains. While I refer to them as moons because they orbit Earth, technically, they are just dust clouds and do not fit the definition of a moon. So friends, these were some extremely strange facts about the moons in our solar system. As always, this video is over, but the list is not. The moons in our solar system hold many secrets, which we will explore in future videos. But that next episode will only come if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. So what are you waiting for? Like this video and subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, subscribe for more interesting videos and press the notification bell so you can be the first to watch our videos. Until then, bye.